How to make this pop-out profile photo using Canva in 5 minutes. Go to Canva and take a custom size. I will take 1000 by 1000, because this is the standard profile photo size. I will take this formal portrait photo. Now, I will go to Edit Image option and choose BG Remover to remove the photo background. Now resize the photo and relocate the photo. I will change the background to a vibrant color. I think the background is okay. So, I will download it in PNG format. Must download the photo in PNG format as it is best for quality. After downloading the image, upload it to Canva. Now bring the photo to the canvas and reposition the photo. I will go to Elements and find a circle photo frame. You can choose any frame from here, but I will take the circle frame. Now, select the photo and drag it into the frame. The photo became smaller. Now, go to Edit Image, go to Crop option and resize the photo inside the frame. Now, go to the Position option and bring the photo without background to the front. Crop the upper image and get it into the circle. It will pop out from the frame. You can also highlight the outline of the circle frame by customizing the weight and color. It will become more dynamic. Now, I will select all the photos and group them into one photo to place in the center. The work is almost done. Now let's download the image in PNG format. Here is the result. This is how you can make a pop-up profile photo using Canva.
It's not a game, it's a rich